Yeah, guys, get it.
You want to? Go.
How you feeling about second chair?
I feel like a little
Absolutely
disappointed because I know I could have got out of here earlier. You know, I just like my game wasn't on point like it was, like it should have been. You know,
It was sleeping in, slacking a little bit.
I was sleeping. Yeah.
Not really
we're out here
all
for
day.
second. That's all that matters. We're gonna have a good day. We're gonna get after it. So.
We get to ride. We get to ride. Yep.